I've thought a lot about work. The father clocking into a job he hates just to put food on the table, the mother folding endless baskets of laundry, and the artist slaving away at a piece that people may never see or that we'll only see in years to come. It is a theme in the modern world that we've shifted our view of work so that we view it as a toil, a dreadful necessity, the 9 to 5 that we must do to survive in this landscape, but that no one truly enjoys or likes. And I think that this is not how work should be viewed. I think it should be viewed as opportunities, as exciting opportunities, as almost a form of worship. And so I, with my company, we teamed up with some wonderful different authors, ranging from young unpublished authors who are going to be published for the first time in this anthology to well-experienced novelists from a variety of different genres. And we came together with these different thoughts to try to build an anthology that really, it impacted me before I started studying this idea of work as worship, as something more than just toil. We're trying to capture the realizations that I had that kind of blew my mind on the topic through these different short stories, through these essays, through these pieces of poetry that I think will bring you incredible value. We have stories ranging from commentaries on the necessity for labor and dealing with topics of AI from myself. We have works that are dealing with the hidden gifts and talents that we all have to sometimes hold. We have stories going into dystopias where work would be, much less enjoyable. We have stories that are through poetry, through the slog, through the artist slog, and even more stories ranging from fantastical to not mundane, but ordinary in beautiful ways. And so if any of this resonates with you, if you feel that work is something more or should be something more, and you want to understand that better, I would highly encourage you to join us here on Kickstarter. We're now live, and I hope you'll join us. Blessings.